Discover the fascinating process of how donuts are made in modern factories. From mixing the dough to frying, glazing, and adding delicious toppings. This video takes you behind the scenes of donut production. Watch how machines and skilled workers create soft, fluffy, and perfectly shaped donuts at high speed. Learn every step of the donut making process, including dough preparation, fermentation, shaping, frying in hot oil, and decorating with chocolate, sugar, and cream fillings. This satisfying factory video is perfect for food lovers and anyone curious about how their favorite snacks are made. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing food factory videos. Here's a clear, step-by-step look at how donuts are made in factories and bakeries. 1. Mixing the dough. Basic ingredients are combined. Flour, sugar, yeast for fluffy donuts, milk or water, eggs, butter or oil. Everything is mixed into a soft dough using industrial mixers. 2. Kneading. The dough is kneaded until it becomes smooth and elastic. This helps develop gluten, which gives donuts their soft, chewy texture. 3. Fermentation rising. The dough is left to rest so the yeast can work. It rises and doubles in size. Air bubbles form, making donuts light and fluffy. 4. Shaping. The dough is rolled out and cut into donut shapes using machines or cutters. Ring donuts. Filled donuts no hole. 5. Proofing. Shaped donuts rest again to rise slightly before frying. This step ensures they stay soft and airy. 6. Frying. Donuts are fried in hot oil about 175–190 degrees Celsius. Cooked on both sides until golden brown. Frying machines flip them automatically in factories. 7. Cooling. After frying, donuts are placed on racks or conveyor belts to cool down. 8. Glazing and toppings. This is the fun part. Sugar coating, chocolate glaze, icing, sprinkles, fillings cream, jam, custard. 9. Packaging. Finished donuts are packed for stores or delivery.